Dumelang abusheni, welcome to another Dabula Tsogo TV special. Finally. Abantu base Northwest, but ba go Northwest se re hitlile ya nong. Ke khale re tsebisa gore re tlo fitla fano, re tlo go bula surgery e ntšha mo profatleleng go direla gone. Re fitlile gompione ntwa re ilwile ke tla reng re fitletse tlholo and ke itumetse go menagane ke na le fano ke na le prof CM Lukhuleni Penekant mo provinceng ya rona ya Northwest side la City re mo leader mo surgery e ntšha go ibula ka jalo ke re welcome to Tsogo TV guys, you know prof surgery ntšha leader tala bathembisa abantu base Northwest ukuthi uzovula iloni surgery. We are here today to do a final inspection before Zikhala end of the month. Prof, welcome to Tsogo Dabula TV special for the upcoming opening of your surgery in Northwest. How do you feel ukuthi finally uzovula in the Northwest?
Hey, Brakebi, thank you. First of all, I like to greet everyone who love Tsogo TV and Dabula TV. I'm so grateful because of why sometimes bataba khullela bare hey prof khanti rena wa re lebala na ha o batle go atamela ga o file rena ka re ei go dirile okay ka re ei ke tla dira ntwe e leng bothata KB wa itse ha o nya ka black o hira a itshwane le black ya gore e tlo ba e ya gago. If you play go hira ka o san ba o koba, but if unali ntwela gore mo wa itse gore dipoko wa di beya mo a ona mothata ona motho o jetsang gore o ska robala ka mo ke ona taba e ke tsere no inkile nako gore ke arabe batho ba Rustenburg cause ha o ya ka mo ba re nya ka ntse so ha o ba jetse phela guys re tla o phone. So finally ke trato re bulo bo ga Tsogo TV a ithaupile ya phamatsapa ya gore itlo witnessa taba gore batho ba be ba nna ba lla ba prof ya baka breakebi khadi why le satli Northwest why le satli Rustenburg so re khetile leader cause of ke mo pateng everyone it's easy go tlamo le ha motho ha ke tsebese ha itse Sun City a se timele
ha no re ga se timele ya no re o tlo timela. But prof question e hantshi ke gore ra itse gore we know ukuthi ilona inkangala it's the biggest indumba, the strongest indumba zonke izinto skip alarm. What is going to be the status of this particular surgery ngamandla in terms of if nisetlhabani ngifuna ama boys, can I get them here or do I have to go to elona enkangala to get ama boys?
Brakebi, truly speaking, does not break any friendship or sponsorship. We will be doing everything here. Okay. That is why ke tsere ke nyaka pleke ring ke tlo gona o lokela ntho tsotlhe ke sa shia tse dingwe gore ha ka itshwara mo pleke ya mo leader e tlo tshwana le pleke ya Bushbuck Chris e tlo tshwana le pleke ya Nkangala.
Okay, so zonke izinto will be found here. Ama boys zonke izinto will be here
100%. We will be giving everything here.
Okay, guys, I don't want to spoil so many. I don't want to spoil the whole thing. More details are coming pre the launch, just a day before the launch. For now, we're just announcing Uguti Ikona Sila. We are here for the final inspection, you know, prof. And watch the adverts, watch the address, watch in 28th and the 29th and the 30th is available. Tsogo TV will be here. Niazi guys, I'll be here filming the proceedings. Finally, guys, I'm just happy Uguti abantu base Northwest batoli lento yabo. Mabatu Klexdorp abantu balana abantu baselimpopo from Tabazimbi can drive down here, get help. Zobe kushubile from the 28th, 29th and the 30th of this month.
Prof elinteng ke ba fa 3 days. It's bushi ke irile sone just one day.
Yes.
Ke ra gore ke re 3 days cause of batho ba modimo khale le bua le KB le yena KB a nkanya pressure. Hey prof people are crying, go to Rustenburg. Hey pro anna KB man, hey se kere for keeping you waiting just only 3 days, come take your things so uje December ole monate.
Siyabonga prof.
Thank you.